Hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to another vlog. So we're here on the street where many of the malls are joined together. That's Siam Square 1. I'm not sure what's the name of the other buildings, but there are a lot of buildings here guys. I don't know the names actually, it's a bit complicated. So there's a salon or a beauty product store there. So it's very nice to walk here because you can buy everything. That one is also is an outdoor market. The name is Happy Weather Market. So that mall is Center Point Siam Square. It's another mall again. Diba? Amazing. They had a lot of malls here. So you would surely love this place. What's lacking though is money. Chesters. Sama ng mga beauty sa mga Thai guys. Look at that. The concept is so cute guys. So another LED screen over here guys. So that one is also a very busy street, but it was closed because of this attraction. I'm not sure if this is open during the day or cars can pass by, but I don't think so. Or probably yes, especially for utility or delivery vans and trucks. Okay, many people are taking pictures here. Ayan mga inchik guys. Yata na sila. So, Siam. So that's another mall guys. Ooh. Fire Tiger Coffee. Ravipa. So let us go over there guys. I think we haven't visited Icon Siam. Yeah, I did not bother going there guys. Dinhirata. And our target is to go to MBK to buy some pasaluyan. Dito na tamo palit kay murag hasol naman sa lahit pa. And another target is I want to visit Big C Super Mall so that I could buy some products, Thai products guys. So another event here guys. I'm not sure what's this, but it's interesting. So, it's involving the drinks. Okay, so now let's go over there. So I guess that's the end of the street. That one is already a parking area guys. There are also small alleys over here guys, but it's not worth taking pictures. So we have to visit the alleys that are major. So there's nothing over there guys, but over here you can still see a lot of stores here and a lot of tourists. Look, Chesters. Like most of the people that you could see here guys are not locals. Like majority are foreigners. It's either they are shopping or they are eating. Look, like they are everywhere. And that's the end of our tour here guys. So you can ride your train over there because it's near Siam Station, or you can continue your shopping over here guys. There are a lot of stores here. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, let's make it 5 minutes. Okay, train is passing by guys.